This is a visual guide to the placement of K-tip hair extensions. The following 3 examples show how to place hair extensions for the most common types of K-tip applications. Long, thin hair can be easily filled in with 50 to 100 strands. More or less pieces can be used depending on the client's budget and how thick they want their hair. A solid line means no space between extensions. A dashed line means bricklaying, which is 1/4 inch space between strands. This video is brought to you by Vision Select Premium K-tip Hair Extensions. Medium length and density hair can be easily lengthened with 125 to 175 strands of extensions. The thickest and shortest hair will need the most. It is very important to balance the thickness of the client's hair with the thickness of the hair extensions you put in. You may choose not to do any bricklaying in very thick hair. Short hair is the hardest to lengthen. Any shorter than 5 inches on the crown is not recommended. Thin, short hair will need 150 to 175 pieces of extensions. Medium thickness short hair will need 200 to 250 strands of extensions. Thick short hair will need 250 strands or more. With thick hair, you may need to add more rows than are shown on the diagram. The diagrams are guidelines. We've had hair that was so thick that they needed 14 bundles of hair, which would be 350 pieces. This is rare, but be aware that this can happen. People can be upset if you run out of hair. Thank you for watching. Visit visionhairextensions.com or look for product links in description. And please give us a like.